Good afternoon, guys. It's 8 to 0. What's up, you guys? Grace seems so happy.
Yes. Somebody's here.
Who's that, Grace? Who's that? Is that you? Yeah. Is that you? Are you being silly? Yeah, you're being silly. Look at this, you guys.
65 GTO.
Food.
V8 tweaker.
Food.
Here, baby.
It's gotta be the two-tone.
Can we strap you in?
Good afternoon, guys. So right now, you guys, we are going to get my tires on my summer tires, and then I oil change. So that's what we're gonna do. So we just got home, and we eating some sausages that Marsha gave us some. So we went to Hans Marsha's place. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. So I'm just gonna be. That's one of the meals that we're gonna have, but the other meals coming soon. Rachel made macaroni salad. You guys, it looks so good. Tuna macaroni salad looks so good. So I'm getting today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe if you guys do. Give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.